Amazon revoked your brand registry account. Here's how to get it back. And there's two types of brand registry. Pretty much there's where they revoke your report of violation. This is the most common and the easiest to fix. You can see our clients, it was access revoked. They pretty much reported the same person too many times without escalation, right? And then what we did is we just contacted them and we asked them what caused it, right? So you need to figure out what caused the suspension, right? And we need to figure that out. So they pretty much made some guesses. And then what we did is we did our own digging to figure out the root cause, because a lot of them were accepted, right, in the last 7 days. And we're trying to figure out, okay, what caused them to get kicked off and revoked? So, double check. Did you report the same person twice? Did you not do test buys? Is your trademark not valid anymore in the US? Things like that. Then we wrote an appeal, and here is the appeal for that. And it's a really, really good appeal. And again, I kind of just give you like a whole little template. It is a bit on the long side, but we reference Amazon's policies. We reference the USPTO, the Copyright Office, so much stuff here. And then you do C and you do your closing. But this got them reinstated. Okay, so we're going to scroll down. We submitted the appeal to Amazon. You can see we submitted that appeal. Amazon didn't understand. They were like, why are you appealing? Amazon got confused, just like Amazon does. So we escalated the issue internally, which took a little bit of time. And then pretty much the client reached out to us and said, great news, Amazon brand registry. We have determined that you may continue to submit infringement notices. The total time it took was 20 days. So it does take a bit of time to get this stuff reinstated. So that's kind of the process. This is the easy one to get reinstated. Now, here's a hard one that we're dealing with and we were able to resolve is brand registry revoked. So pretty much a client got an email, your brand. So let's just say McDonald's has been removed from brand registry. And then they sent like a huge email, right? And they removed 4 or 5 brands, which is just terrible. And this is like a huge email. I've never seen this specifically, but it says, we are writing to inform you that the brand has been removed. Why did this happen? Boom, boom, boom. There could be like all these reasons why it may have happened, but obviously they don't tell you the direct reason. We attempted to submit the appeal and then it said not found, like the form's not found. So we're like, what is going on, Amazon? This is just Amazon making things harder. And then we finally were able to escalate it internally. And then Amazon was asking for everything. We want invoices. We want this. We want that. They just started asking for all these files, which is a good thing, right? Because that means we can resolve it. And we're just submitting invoices. I'm like, what does this have to do with the trademark? We're just submitting all this stuff. And then we finally got this one reinstated. So again, we messaged this client. Sometimes clients prefer email. Sometimes they prefer WhatsApp. I received reinstatement email this morning, and we reinstated all of the brands, not just one of them. It was a pain. This one took around 60 days. So 20 days for the easy one. This one took 60 days because we were dealing with around 5 brands altogether that we had to get reinstated. And we weren't able to actually appeal via the form. We had to appeal a different way, all this fun stuff that you go in through with Amazon. But I did give you a nice little template there with a plan of action that you can use for your reference. And I hope this helps you in your Amazon journey. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. If you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, EHP Consulting Group can do it. The link's right in the description. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management. We'll manage your inventory. We'll make sure your brand registry is good. We'll do all of your appeals, advertising, increased sales, contacting Amazon, internal escalations, so you can benefit from this service and save time, money, and of course, increase your sales. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.